Officer Salee?
Yes, this is, I live at the Mark Apartments, and I'm not really sure what I just witnessed, but it may be a domestic violence going on right now.
Okay. You said you live at the Mark Apartments?
Yes, ma'am.
What building?
I'm in behind me, and I'm not really sure what building number it is. I can run outside and look, but I just heard screaming, and what I saw was a guy pulling a lady, like, up the stairs and back into their apartment.
Okay.
And somebody else may be calling on right now, too. I'm not really sure, but she was very much in distress.
Okay. All right. Stay on the phone with me. I'm going to get an officer here that way, but I'm going to need some more information, okay?
Okay.
Hey, oh, shit. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.